100% cotton. Imported. Washcloth for face and body. Ideal for bath time, washing up at sink, a cooling compress and more. Include 6 washcloths made of 100% cotton for softness, strength, and absorbency. Fade-resistant black color. Classic and simple pique border design. Made in OEKO-TEX Standard 100 Factory, an independent certification system that ensures textiles meet high safety and environmental standards. Product dimensions, 16 by 26 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Wash them twice first. I washed the towels once before using them, and they left lint all over my hands that was shedding off the towels. I washed them for one more cycle and they were much more fluffy, absorbent, and no longer shedding lint off them.